Post office right now. I'm just pretty excited. I got my first fan mail gift, you could say. Here it is. I'm gonna open it at my house when I get home and do an unboxing. Hey guys, what's going on? So I wanted to quickly just do this quick unboxing. I got my first fan mail / gift from my followers. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Her name's Elizabeth. She's on there. She's always commenting. Really sweet person, down to earth. I appreciate all her support. This shirt is super wet. I just got home from the gym. I haven't even eaten anything. I'm starving. But I gotta do this because honestly, I couldn't go to the post office yesterday and they left it there. So I'm gonna open it now. Oh, that's sweet. Look at this. An avocado plushie. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Guys, thank you so much. If you would like to, totally up to you. If you want to send me whatever it is, some people want to send me some artwork, some people want to send me letters and stuff like that. My P.O. box is in, matter of fact, I'm putting it right here. So you guys don't have to go to YouTube, but if you guys follow my YouTube is Handsome Expressions. On YouTube, you subscribe. Normally don't put on TikTok or on Instagram, so you guys can check it out there. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Elizabeth, thank you so much for this avocado. I love avocados, first of all. You already know. If you see my videos, I eat avocados all the time. But this is cute. I'm going to put this on my desk.